Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this smartphone. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for location icon and click on it. As you can see, now it's gray. That means that location is off, but you can always turn it back on by clicking on the same icon. Then select Agree in the pop-up. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, scroll down and select Location over here. Following that, manage it by tapping on the switcher next to Location Access. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!